And we are in front of an interesting Blackcamp trailer. First of all, let's get a look. The actual auto home pop-up roof tent on the top part with a pretty great big bed on this area. We have so much more storage space with a toilet for extracting and additional storage space. Closing up, we have this beautiful chair and this big back door from the back with extra space for your garage if you are carrying bikes or your additional bedding. Getting around with this black awning going all around, and this is the most interesting part, the big slide out with a pretty big kitchen area and two cooker stoves from Thetford. On the upper part we have the Frigo fridge, and pretty substantial one, the control panel and additional cabinet storage all around for your kitchenware and all the other stuff that you need when camping. Oh, that's pretty deep. This side, additional cabinet and one last cabinet right up there. On the lower part of this section we have additional storage space all around. This is a pretty big long slide out going around from this side. You can check this actual trailer is not that big, but with a pop-up roof tent you can make a pretty much full living for 2 or 4 people with a family. And getting out to understand the complete section, even if it's very crowded, but we have a small presentation right up here getting you the idea on how this looks with a Range Rover 130 version, or actually this is a 110 with actual Blackcamp, getting ready for a sledding party inside on the snow. Pretty great design.